friends, today I'm going to discuss what are the benefits of neuro-linguistic programming in our day-to-day life. Now this is chapter 3 of my book, The Power of Neuro-Linguistic Programming, which is available on Amazon in the Kindle version. So you can go ahead and buy it. Now the practical benefits are because if we use neuro-linguistic programming in our day-to-day life, it changes our perception towards life. Now the first benefit, which is very evident when we use neuro-linguistic programming, is we can actually program our mind to achieve whatever desired results. Using the different NLP techniques, you can get whatever that you want in your life. And I was counseling a lady and she was unable to have a very good relationship with her mother-in-law. It was always stressed. Using this technique, we were able to achieve a breakthrough in her life. So it definitely helps to program your mind to achieve whatever that you want in life. And you can also understand to structure your day-to-day life. For instance, you go to a shopping mall and you look at so many things. If you did not have a shopping list ready, you would not know. You will pick up things haphazardly. Neuro-linguistic programming gives your mind a particular way wherein you are able to focus and you are able to structure the way you think. One more advantage of neuro-linguistic programming is you can redefine your language in your day-to-day life. Like for instance, it is always better to use the words like excellent, superb when you're expressing instead of just good. It makes a lot of difference, and while counseling one student, I tried to do this technique and he had a breakthrough in his relationships with so many people. Definitely helps if you change your dictionary, you change your vocabulary in the way you express your feelings. And it is also very advantageous to the ever-growing student population who are under so much of stress. Using NLP techniques, their stress can be relieved to a great extent and they learn to understand their true value in life. And it brings about a change in our life. It is like a train which takes you from one place to the other, but it is done in a modulated way wherein you realize that you have a greater inner potential, which it gives you a way, and it is truly beneficial. It helps to develop proper communication because communication is lacking in most of our lives. We don't understand the importance, and neuro-linguistic programming helps you to have a breakthrough in having communication. Now there was a lady who was unable to communicate with her husband for 30 long years, but using NLP technique she was able to have a breakthrough and she started seeing herself having a very beautiful relationship with her husband. So it helps to do that. It helps us to understand our body language, how we should be communicating with people using our body. It also helps to understand what is your social standing, how is your relationships with people. It helps to redefine that. This and many other benefits are mentioned in my book with various examples wherein you can understand, and it is truly a great technique and you should definitely understand neuro-linguistic programming. May you have a beautiful day.